Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a natural wonder worker that I'm truly passionate about, especially for women over 50. Avocado oil. It's not just a trendy ingredient, it's packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats that can truly transform your health and well-being from the inside out. Stay tuned, because we're about to unlock the incredible benefits of avocado oil and how a simple 7-day transformation can make you feel like the best version of yourself. Let's talk nutrition. This is where avocado oil really shines. It's bursting with monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that helps lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. Avocado oil is also a potent source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights those nasty free radicals damaging our cells and leading to premature aging. One of the things I love most about avocado oil is what it can do for your skin. Avocado oil is rich in oleic acid, a fatty acid that penetrates deep into the skin, locking in moisture and keeping it supple and hydrated. Trust me, incorporating avocado oil into your skincare routine can make a world of difference. Let's be honest, ladies, as we age, our hair can lose its luster and strength. Avocado oil is a natural emollient, meaning it forms a protective layer over each hair strand, sealing in moisture and preventing breakage. And if you're dealing with a dry, itchy scalp, massaging in some avocado oil can work wonders to soothe and nourish your scalp. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies. Avocado oil contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds like vitamin E and carotenoids, which work together to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Adding avocado oil to your diet can help you naturally combat inflammation and protect your overall health. We've already touched on how beneficial avocado oil is for heart health, but it's worth repeating. Remember those monounsaturated fats? They're the key players here. They work by lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that clogs arteries, while increasing HDL cholesterol, the good kind that acts like a cleanup crew for your arteries. Avocado oil can also help regulate blood pressure, reducing your risk of heart attack and stroke. You bet it can. While avocado oil won't magically melt away pounds overnight, it can give your metabolism a helping hand. The healthy fats in avocado oil help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating and those pesky cravings. Plus, avocado oil helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. Ready to experience the incredible benefits of avocado oil? Here's a simple 7-day plan to get you started. Day 1. Replace your usual cooking oil with avocado oil. Day 2. Drizzle avocado oil over your salads for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Day 3. Add a tablespoon of avocado oil to your smoothies. Day 4. Massage a small amount of avocado oil into your skin before bed for a deeply hydrating overnight treatment. Day 5. Use avocado oil as a hair mask to nourish and condition your locks. So there you have it, the remarkable benefits of avocado oil, especially for women over 50. Remember, small changes can make a world of difference. So start incorporating avocado oil into your daily routine and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Try the 7-day transformation and let us know your results.